Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. So today we are starting exercise 7.2. So before that, let us try to understand the meaning of two important definitions. Here first definition is non-negative constraint. So first try to understand the meaning of what constraint. These linear inequations or linear equations are called as what? Constraint. In linear programming problem, constraint means what? Linear equation or linear inequations are called as what? Constraint. Hope the idea about constraint is clear to you. So these four expressions are called as what? Constraint in linear programming problem. Means in short we can say that linear equations and linear inequations are called as constraint, and alternate word for constraint is restriction also. Now, so if the restrictions x is greater than or equals to 0 and y is greater than or equals to 0 is given to us, its meaning is that these are non-negative restriction, or we can say that non-negative constraint. Why we are calling it as non-negative? Because here we can observe that value of x is equal to 0 or positive. Means value of x is non-negative, either its value is 0 or greater than 0. Greater than 0 means what? Positive. Means in short we can say that values of x are not negative, it is either 0 or positive, means it is not negative. That's why it is called as non-negative constraint or non-negative restriction. In the same way, y is also greater than or equals to 0 means value of y is also either 0 or greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive, means in short value of y is non-negative. So that's why these are called as non-negative restriction or non-negative constraint. And whenever such type of conditions are given in our example, means if non-negative constraints are given in our example, we can easily say that the solution set lies in which quadrant? First quadrant, because in first quadrant value of x are what? Greater than 0, and value of y is also what? Greater than 0. And if we are taking equal here, means point on these x's are also what? Included, and x and y are greater than 0, its meaning is that all the points satisfying both the condition lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Means if these conditions are given in our example, so we can say that our solution set lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Hope the idea about non-negative restriction is clear to you. In this example also, x is greater than 0, y is greater than or equal to 0 is given to us. So we can conclude that the solution set lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Now observe the second important definition, that is feasible solution. So already we have seen what is the meaning of solution. Solution means what? Set of all the points which satisfies the given inequation or equation. Means in short, inequation and equation are called as now what? It is called as constraint. Means set of all points which satisfies the given constraint, it's called as solution set. And when we can say that it is feasible solution, if more than one constraint is given to us. In this example, how many constraints are given to us? 4 constraints. So we have to find out set of all such point which satisfies all the 4 constraints, and that solution set, the set of all point which satisfies this equation, means are called as what? Solution. And the set of all such point or that solution set is called as what? Feasible solution. A solution which satisfies all the constraints. So in this example 4 constraints are there. We will try to find out such region or such set of point which satisfies all the 4 constraints, and such solution is called as what? Feasible solution. Hope the idea about feasible solution is clear to you. Now we are solving example from exercise 7.1. Now see, in the first example we have to find out feasible solution of the following inequations graphically. So just now we have seen that these inequations are called as what? Constraint. Means we have to find out such solution which is satisfied by all these constraints. So we know that to find out the solution set, first we have to draw the line, and later on using inequality we are able to find out our solution set. So First consider the first line. What is the first line? 3x plus 2y is equals to 18. Now to construct this line, we should have to know coordinate of 2 point on the line. If I am substituting y is equal to 0, let us check what value of x we are getting. 3x is equal to 18 means x will be equal to 6. Now substitute x is equal to 0. If we are substituting x is equal to 0, remaining term is 2y is equal to 18. Simplifying it, we will get y is equals to 9. In this way, 6, 0 and 0, 9 are the coordinate of 2 point on this line. In the same way, let us try to find out coordinate of 2 point on the line second, where equation of second line is 2x plus y is equals to 10. Here also use the same method. First substitute y is equal to 0 and try to find out value of x. 2x is equal to 10 implies that x is equals to 5. Then substitute x is equals to 0. What value of y we are getting here? 10. Means second line passes through the point 5, 0 and 0, 10. Now observe the signs in the given constraint. In both the constraint, less than or equals to is given to us, and we know that in an expression, if less than or equals to appears, at that time we can say that origin side part is our solution set. So origin side part will be our required solution set. Again, if you'll observe here, x is greater than or equals to 0 and y is greater than or equals to 0 is given to us. At that time, we can say that solution set lies in first quadrant. So here we can say that since x is greater than or equals to 0 and y is greater than or equals to 0, means if non-negative restrictions are given to us, we know that solution set lies in first quadrant. Okay, now let us try to find out position of the point. So first line passes through the point 6, 0. So here we will get the point 6, 0, and second point passes through the point 0, 9. Once the coordinate of 2 points on the line are known to us, draw a line passing through these 2 points. So our first line passes through these 2 points. So what is the equation of line here? 3x plus 2y is equals to 18. Now let us try to draw the second line. Coordinate of a point on this line are 5, 0 and 0, 10. So here coordinate of 2 points on this line are known to us. Draw a line passing through these 2 points. So let us try to draw the second line here. So once the second line is constructed, so write down the equation of that line. 2x plus y is equals to 10. Already we have seen that our solution set lies in what? Lies in first quadrant, isn't it? And for both the line, which signs appears less than or equals to, means for both the line we can say that origin side part will be the solution set. Means for this line also origin side part, and for this line also origin side part, and our solution set lies in what? First quadrant. So here we can observe that for both the line, this part will be what? Origin side part, and even x is greater than or equals to 0 and y is greater than or equals to 0. That's why we can say that our solution set lies only in what? First quadrant. So in this way we have got the feasible solution. So lastly, write down shaded portion in figure is feasible solution. Now same method we have to apply in remaining example from this exercise. Now see the second example. In the second example also, here 4 constraints are given to us and we have to find out feasible solution. So first consider the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, and from the second constraint, first we have to draw the line x plus y is equal to 2. So to draw this first line, we have to find out coordinate of a point on this line. So first I am substituting y is equal to 0. So let us see what value of x we will get. 2x is equal to 6 means x is equal to 3. If we are substituting x is equals to 0 here, so remaining term will be 3y is equal to 6, implies that y is equal to 2, means coordinate of 2 points on the line first are 3, 0 and 0, 2. Now let us try to find out coordinate of a point on the line second. So if I am substituting y is equal to 0, this term will become 0, x will be equals to 2, and if we are substituting x is equals to 0, y will be equals to 2, means 2, 0 and 0, 2 are the coordinate of the point on the line second. Now for both the lines, for first line less than or equals to there, so we can say that origin side part will be our solution set, and in this case x plus y is greater than, means which sign is there, greater than or equals to. At that time we can say that non-origin side part will be our solution set or required region. And in this example also, non-negative restriction, x is greater than or equals to 0 and y is greater than or equals to 0 are called as non-negative restriction or non-negative constraint. If this constraint appears in the example, at that time we can say that solution set lies in what? First quadrant. Now from the coordinate of the point on line first, we are trying to construct the line first, so which passes through the point 3, 0 and 0, 2. So coordinate of 2 points on the line first are known to us, so draw a line passing through these 2 points. What is the equation? Equation of line first is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now let us try to construct the line second. X plus y is equal to 2, which passes through the point 2, 0 and 0, 2, means passes through these 2 points. Once this line is constructed, so this line, write down the equation of line x plus y is equals to 2. Now using our inequalities, check which part will be our required feasible solution. So for the first line, for this line less than or equals to means origin side part, this part will be the solution set. And for the second line, greater than means for the second line greater than appears in the equation, so that for this line non-origin side part will be the solution set. For first line origin side part means this part is already deleted, and for the second line non-origin side part means this part will get deleted. So this shaded portion means set of all the point in this shaded portion satisfies all the constraint, and our solution set lies in what? First quadrant. So we are not able to shade this portion because this is not the part of first quadrant. In this way we have got set of all points which satisfies all the 4 constraints, and such a region is called as a feasible region, and the set of all points are called as what? Feasible solution. Now see the example number 3rd. So if you'll observe the first constraint here, 3x plus 4y greater than or equals to 12. So first, to find out its solution set, first draw the line 3x plus 4y is equals to 12. From the second constraint, we will get the line 4x plus 7y is equals to 28, and here x is greater than 0 and y is greater than or equals to 1, means we have to construct which third line? Y is equals to 1. And here we can observe that value of x is non-negative and value of y is also what? Greater than 1, means positive, means x is also positive and y is also positive. At that time we can say that solution set lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. So first we have to draw the 3 line to find out feasible solution. So let us check this first line passes through which 2 points. Here we are substituting y is equal to 0. If we are substituting y is equal to 0, what we will get here? 3x is equals to 12, which implies that x is equals to 4. If we are substituting x is equals to 0, we will get 4y is equal to 12, implies that y is equal to 3. Now substitute y is equal to 0, this term will become 0. 4x is equals to 28, implies that x is equal to 7. And if I am substituting x is equal to 0, so 7y is equal to 28 is remaining term. So implies that 28 upon 7 means will be equals to 4. Now this line is parallel to which axis? X-axis, because if equation of line is y is equals to constant, at that time we know that line is parallel to what? X-axis. And here substitute x is equals to 0 and y is equals to what? 1. So we know that this line is parallel to x-axis, but we will require one coordinate of 1 point on this line. So easily we are able to find out coordinate. Just substitute y is equal to 1 and take any value of x, but for simplicity we are taking x is equal to 0. So we can say that this line is passes through what? 0, 1. Already here we have written that line passes through this point and parallel to which axis? Parallel to x-axis. Now in the first equation, sign, which sign is there? Greater than, here less than or equals to, and in the third equation greater than. And already we know that if greater than appears means non-origin side part, non-origin side will be our required region, or we can say that required solution set. Here less than means origin side, here greater than means what? Non-origin side part will be our solution set. Now first let us construct this line. So our first line passes through the point 4, 0 and 0, 3. Second line 7, 0 and 0, 4. So first line passes through the point 4, 0. So this is our first point, and second point is 0, 3. Let us try to draw a line passing through these 2 points. Now write down equation of this line. What is the equation of this line? 3x plus 4y is equals to 12. Now observe the second line. Second line passes through the points 7, 0 and 0, 4. So passes through these 2 points. So let us try to draw a line passing through these 2 points. Now equation of this second line is 4x plus 7y is equals to 28. Now third line, y is equals to 1. It's parallel to which axis? X-axis, and passes through which point? 0, 1. So 0, 1, this is the position of this point. Line is parallel to which axis? X-axis, and passes through the point 0, 1. So this will be the rough sketch of this line. Then write down equation of line y is equals to 1. Once all the lines are constructed, then using this inequality symbol, we are trying to find out our required feasible solution. For first line, means for this line, greater than means non-origin side part will be the solution set, means this part will be the solution set. For the second line, less than means origin side part will be the solution set. And for the line, third line, y is equals to 1, greater than means this is origin side and this is what? Non-origin side. So non-origin side part will be the solution set, means for this line non-origin, for this line origin, and for this line non-origin. Means easily we can observe that this portion or set of all the point in this portion satisfies all the given constraint. And that's why we can say that the shaded portion in the figure is required feasible solution. So now see the question number 4. In the question number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 constraints are given to us, and we have to find out solution, means feasible solution of this 5 constraint. Feasible solution means what? Set of all such point which satisfies all these 5 constraint. Okay, so we know that whenever we have to find out solution graphically, we have to first construct the line. So from this first constraint, what is the equation of first line? X plus 4y is equals to 24. Second line is here 3x plus y is equal to 21, and last line means fourth line is x plus y is equals to 9. And here x is greater than or equals to 0 and y is greater than or equals to 0, means if non-negative restriction or non-negative constraints are given in example, we can conclude that our solution set lies in what? First quadrant. Now to construct this line, let us try to find out coordinate of 2 points on every line. So first substitute y is equal to 0. So this term will become 0 and we will get x is equals to 24, means coordinate of first point on this line is 24, 0. Now if we are substituting x is equals to 0, then what will get? 4y is equals to 24, which implies that y will be equals to 7. So here coordinate of second point is 0, 7. Now observe the second line. For the second line, if we are substituting y is equal to 0, what we are getting? 3x is equals to 21, which implies that x is equal to 7. And if we are substituting x is equal to 0, we will get y is equal to 21. So 7, 0 and 0, 21 are the coordinate of 2 points on the second line. Now let us try to find out coordinate of 2 point on the third line. So here if I am substituting y is equal to 0, x will be equals to 9, and if I am substituting x is equals to 0, y will be equals to 9. Means coordinate of 2 point on this line are 9, 0 and 0, 9. Now check which signs are given in this equation: less than or equals to, less than or equals to, less than or equals to. Means we can say that for all these three lines, origin side part will be our solution set. So origin side region is our required solution set here. Now let us construct this line using the coordinate of a 2 point on the line. So first line passes through the point 24, 0 and 0, 7. 7 lies somewhere in between what? 6 and 8. So in this way we have got coordinate of 2 point on this line. Let us draw a line passing through these 2 points. And what is the equation of first line? X plus 4y is equals to 24. Now let us try to construct the second line. Coordinate of a point on this line are 7, 0. 7 lies in between 6 and 7. 7, 0 and 0, 21. So 0, 21. 21 lies in between 20 and 21. So once the coordinate of 2 points are known to us, draw the second line. And what is the equation of second line? 3x plus y is equals to 21. Now for the third line, coordinate of 2 point on this line are 9, 0. 9 will lie in between 0, 8 and 10, and 0, 9. Here also find out the 9. 9 lies somewhere in between 8 and 10. So coordinate of 2 point on the line third is also known. Draw a line passing through these 2 points. And what is the equation of this line? X plus y is equals to 9. So once all the three lines are constructed, then observing the inequality symbol. So here in all these equation, less than or equals to is there, means for all these line, origin side part will be the solution set. And here this condition says that solution set lies in what? First quadrant. So for this line also, origin side part will be our solution set. For the second line also, origin side, and for the third line also, origin side part will be the solution set. So easily we can say that the set of all the point in this shaded portion satisfies our all constraint, and our solution set lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. So we are taking only the point which are satisfying by these three constraint, and last two non-negative restriction, means the values of x and y are non-negative, means the solution set lies in what? First quadrant. In this way, this shaded portion, means set of all the point in this shaded portion satisfies all our 5 constraint, hence it is called as what? Feasible solution. So shaded portion is nothing but our required feasible solution. Now let us try to solve the example number 5. In example number 5, observe how many constraints are given to us. Here x is greater than 0 and y is also what? Greater than 0. X is greater than or equals to 0 and y is greater than 0 equal to 0, means solution set lies in what? First quadrant. Now again it is given to us that x is less than or equals to 3, means in this expression two constraints are given to us. One is what? X is greater than or equals to 0, and second is what? X is less than or equals to 3. So first we have to construct the line x is less than or equals to 3, means to find out solution set of x is less than or equals to 3, we have to construct the line x is equal to 3. Here also y is greater than or equals to 0, which already we have considered here, and y is less than or equals to 3, means to find out that region, first we have to draw the line y is equals to 3. Observe the next constraint, x plus y is less than or equals to 5. So to find out its solution set, first draw the line x plus y is equal to 5, and last constraint is 2x plus y is greater than or equals to 4. To find out its solution, we have to draw a line 2x plus y is equals to 4. So first construct this line. To construct this line, find out coordinate of 2 points on these two lines. If I am substituting y is equal to 0, x will be equals to 5, and if I am substituting x is equals to 0, y will be equals to 5. So 5 comma 0 and 0 comma 5 are the coordinate of 2 points on the line first. For second point, if I am substituting y is equal to 0, 2x is equals to 4 implies that x is equals to 2. If I am substituting x is equal to 0, y will be equals to 4. So 2 comma 0 or 0 comma 4 are the coordinate of 2 points on the line second. For the third line, x is equal to 3 means x is equals to constant is a line parallel to which axis? Y axis, and passes through the point. X coordinate is 3, take y coordinate is equal to 0. So here this line passes through the point 3 comma 0 and parallel to which axis? Y axis. Here we can say that this line is parallel to y axis, and y is equals to constant is a line parallel to x axis and passes through the point. Y coordinate is 3, take any coordinate, any x coordinate, but for simplicity we are taking x coordinate is equal to 0. So one point on this line is known to us 0 comma 3 and parallel to what? X axis. Parallel to x axis. In the first equation means for the line x plus y is equal to 5, which inequality appear? Less than means origin side part will be the solution set. For the second constraint, here greater than or equals to is there, so we can say that non-origin side part will be our solution set. In the third, less than appears, less than or equals to means we can say that origin side part will be our solution set. And for the next constraint also, less than or equals to is there, so we can say that origin side part will be our solution set. And already we have written that since x and y are greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0 means solution set lies in what? First quadrant. So first we are constructing first line which passes through the point 5 comma 0 and 0 comma 5. So now draw a line passing through these 2 points. So in this way we have constructed a line x plus y is equals to 5. Now construct the second line 2x plus y is equal to 4, which passes through the point 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. So what is the equation of second line? 2x plus y is equals to 4. Third line is x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 means that line parallel to y axis and passes through 3 comma 0. So this is the position of the point 3 comma 0. So draw a line passing through this point and parallel to y axis. So what is the equation of this line? X is equals to 3. Lastly, let us draw the line y is equals to 3 which passes through the point 0 comma 3 and parallel to this x axis. Once all these lines are constructed, then using this inequality symbol, try to find out our solution set. So now if you observe for this line 2x plus y is equals to 4, greater than or equal to appears means for this line non-origin side part will be the solution set, and for all the remaining 3 lines origin side part will be the solution set. Means for this line also origin side part, is it the origin side part? Yes, origin side part for this line. For this line also origin side part will be our solution set. For this line also origin side part will be the solution set. Only for the line 2x plus y is equal to 4, non-origin side part will be the solution set. For this line origin side, for this line origin side, for this line origin side, and for this fourth line non-origin side part. Means if you observe the common portion means set of all the points satisfying all these 6 constraints. If you observe this example, how many constraints are there? 6. So these 2 constraints and 1 2 3 4, so means total 6 constraints are there. Last 2 constraints just simply says that solution set lies in first quadrant. In this way we have got set of all the points which satisfies all these 6 constraints, and such set of point is called as what? Feasible solution of these all constraints. Now let us try to solve the question number 6 from this exercise 7.2. Question number 7 and question number 8 in these two example word problems are there, means first we have to formulate the given equation, formulate the linear programming problem, and formulating linear programming problem means reading the condition in the word problems. First we have to form the constraint. Once the constraint are known to us, then solve this example graphically, but that part is omitted from the syllabus, means question number 7 and question number 8 are omitted from the syllabus only for this academic year. Later on I will upload the video on it. So see the question number 6. In question number 6, what is the first constraint? X minus 2y less than or equals to 2. So first construct the line x minus 2y is equals to 2. Second constraint is x plus y is greater than or equals to 3. So draw the line x plus y is equal to 3, and from the third constraint we will get which line? X plus y is equals to 4. And x is greater than or equals to 0 and y is greater than equal to 0, means non-negative constraint are given to us, means solution set lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Let us try to find out coordinate of 2 point on the line. First substitute y is equal to 0, we will get x is equals to 2. If we are substituting x is equal to 0, we will get y is equal to minus 1, means 2 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 1 are the coordinate of 2 point on the line first, and in this line less than or equals to appears, means we can say that origin side part will be our solution set. For the second line, let us try to find out coordinate of 2 point. First I am substituting y is equal to 0, so what result we are getting? X is equal to 3. If we are substituting x is equal to 0, we will get y is equal to 3, means coordinate of 2 point on this line second are 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. In this case which inequality appears? Greater than, and if greater than appears, means we can say that non-origin side part will be our solution set. Observe the third line. Here first find out coordinate of 2 point. So first I am substituting y is equal to 0, then remaining term is minus 2x is equal to 4. So x will be equals to minus 2, 4 divided by minus 2 will be equal to minus 2. And if I am substituting x is equal to 0, y will be equals to 4. So coordinate of 2 point on this line are minus 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. And in this equation less than or equal to is there, so we can say that origin side part will be our solution set. Now let us try to draw this line. Line first passes through the point 2 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 1, means coordinate of 2 point on this line are known to us. Let us try to draw the line passing through these 2 points. So in this way we have drawn a line which passes through the point 2 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 1. And what is the equation of this line? X minus 2y is equals to 2. Now let us try to draw the line second which passes through the point 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. And equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 3. Now let us try to draw the line fourth which passes through the point minus 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. So coordinate of 2 point on the line third is also known to us. Draw a line passing through these 2 points. And what is the equation of this line? Equation of this line is minus 2x plus y is equals to 4. Now using the given inequalities, we will try to find out our required solution set, means feasible solution. So for the first line, for this line origin side part is the solution set. For this second line, means for this line non-origin side part will be the solution set, and for the third line also origin side. For this line this will be the origin side. Observe that this will be the origin side part, means for the first line origin side part, for this line also origin side part, and for this line non-origin side part. Observe that this part belongs to what? Origin side part of this line. This part also belongs to origin side part of this line, and for this line this is non-origin side part. And last two constraints says that our solution set lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. So we are not able to move outside the first quadrant. So this portion will be the first quadrant, but this part is nothing but what? Non-origin side part for this line. And according to given condition for this line, non-origin side part, sorry, this is the origin side part and non-origin side part will be our solution set. So the shaded portion in this figure represents what? Solution set of of given all these constraints, and the set of all points which satisfies this constraint is called as what? Feasible solution. In this way we can say that shaded portion in the figure is the feasible solution, and easily we can observe that these lines, if we are extending these lines, this solution set is bounded or unbounded. Easily we can observe that this solution set is unbounded here. So the shaded portion means set of all these points satisfies all these constraints, and such point which satisfies all the given constraint is called as what? Feasible solution. In this way we have completed exercise number 7.2. as already I have told that example number 7th and 8th are omitted only for this academic year due to COVID-19.